Assalamu alaikum students, hope you all will be fine. In our previous lecture, we learn about set, proper subset, subset and power set. Now we are going to write set and proper subset of a set. So before we write subset and proper subset of a set, there is an important information which is that if a set contain n elements, then the number of the all its subset will be 2n. For example, let we have set X which have three elements 1, 2, 3. Before we write the subset of this set, we use formula 2n. Here n is a number of elements which are 3. By putting the value of n, we getting 8. It means that when we write the subset of this set, there must be 8 subsets. So the first subset is empty, then 1, 2, 3 are the singleton subset, and the sets containing two elements 1, 2, 2, 3 and 1, 3. And the last is 1, 2, 3, which is a subset of itself, which is 1, 2, 3. Let me start our exercise 1.1. The first question is write all the subset of the following set. We have empty set, let the set is n. By putting the value of n which is equal to 0 because there is no element in this set, we getting 1. By finding the subset of set n, we get empty set because of no element. In second part of this question, we have set 1, let the set is A and the element of the set is 1. So by putting the value of 1, we getting 2. By writing the subset of a set A, the first set is always empty and the second is 1, which is the subset of itself. So there are the two subset of this set. In the third part, there are the two elements. So let the set is B and there are the two elements. So by putting the value of n which is 2, we getting 4. It means that when we write the subset of this set, it must be 4. So by writing the subset of the set B, the first set is empty, then A, B which are the singleton set, and then A, B which are the subset of itself. Question number 2. Write all the proper subset of the following set. The first part containing one element, let the set is S. By using the formula 2n, we putting the value n which is 1. So we get 2 and subtract 1 because set itself not include in proper subset, so we get 1. It means that when we write the proper subset of the set S, which is empty set, because set itself not include, so set is empty. In the second question, there are two elements, let the set is C. By using the formula and putting value of n which is 2, we getting 4 and subtract 1 because set itself not include in proper subset, so we get 3. It means that when we write the proper subset of set C, the first set is empty, then 0 and then 1. Set itself not include in proper subset, so there are the three proper subset of this set. The third part containing three elements, let the set is D. By using the formula and putting value of n which is 3, we getting 8 and subtract 1 because set itself not include in proper subset, so we get 7. It means that when we write the proper subset of set D, it must be 7. So the first proper subset is empty, then 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 1 and 3, 2 and 3. Set itself not include in the proper subset, so there must be 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay class, Allah Hafiz.